Are you tired of accidentally replying when you meant to forward? Or maybe you just can't find the forward button. Here's how to forward an email in Yahoo Mail without the confusion. We'll cover signing in, opening the email, clicking forward, entering the recipient, adding a message, reviewing, sending, and confirming. So, let's start with the first step. Sign in to Yahoo Mail, head over to the Yahoo website and enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple ones. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. Now, once you're signed in, locate and open the email you want to forward. Scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to find that specific message. Click on the subject line or the sender's name to open it up fully. You don't want to forward the wrong email by accident, so take a moment to double-check that you've got the right one. Now find the forward button. It's in the toolbar that runs along the top of the opened email. On a computer, you'll usually see a curved arrow pointing to the right. On mobile, it might look like an arrow or a forward icon. If you're at the very bottom of the message, you'll also find a forward link there. Click that button and a new Compose window will pop up. After clicking forward, type the recipient's email address in the To field. This is where you tell Yahoo who should receive this forwarded message. You can type it manually, or if you've emailed them before, start typing and Yahoo will suggest their address. Just be careful here. It's really easy to accidentally put the wrong person in that field. Double-check that the address is correct before moving on. Optionally, add a personal message above the forwarded content. Yahoo Mail automatically includes the original email in the body of your new message. You can add a few lines of your own at the top. Something like, "Hi, thought you'd find this interesting." Or, "Here's the attachment you were asking about." Keep it brief and relevant. Before sending, double-check the email and any attachments. Look at the To field one more time. Scan the subject line to make sure it makes sense, and check if the original email had any attachments that you need to forward. Yahoo will usually include them automatically, but it's worth verifying. I've tested this myself, and sometimes attachments don't always come through perfectly, so confirming now saves you from sending a follow-up later. Everything looks good? Hit the Send button. It's usually a blue or white button at the bottom of the Compose window. Click it and the message is on its way. Finally, verify it went through in your Sent folder. This is the step that gives you peace of mind. Go to the left sidebar and click on Sent. You should see your forwarded email sitting there with the time you sent it. If it's there, you're all set. If it isn't, go back and check your drafts folder or try sending again. And that's it. From now on, forwarding an email in Yahoo Mail will feel quick and natural. No more second guessing if you hit reply instead of forward. Just follow these steps and you'll be forwarding like a pro every single time.